Okay, second game po tayo. Oh, good. Pass. What a nice reverse layup. Number 21, miss. Number 8, no good. Outlet pass all the way, basket for jersey number 01. Good. Basket yan by number 7. Ay, sorry po. 8-0. King out to number 21. Hot pass. Steal. Number 23. Number 23. That's a 3 seconds violation. Oh, what a move! That pass. Bam! Korea! And steal. Pass number 29, binigay from elbow. Oh, good. Nice pass. Wala. Rebound ng mga laki team. Outlet pass. Number 23. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound. Number 26. Ay, gets a foul. By jersey number 8. Running shot, no good. Number 27, bounce pass. Libre doon from the corner. Almost a steal. What a nice spin move, boy. Mandatory substitution. Change 5. 13-4. Mga bawi ang mga team. Gustong makabawi sa ating second game. Number 2, no good. Basket. Number 13, short. Wide, wow. 3 points. 39, humahabol ang mga naka-white shirt. Baba na lamang sa 4 ang team ni Sir Masaudin. Babawi sa 3. No. Basket. 15-9. Balik sa 6. No good.
Ay, sir. Galing ka sa loob yan, sir.
Good. 2 points. 3 minutes and 21 seconds. Kick out to number 10. Hesi. Cross-court pass. Oopsie. Bad pass.
First quarter, 53 seconds, number 17.
Basket. Easy basket. Baba sa 6. 17. 17-11. Kick out. Out of bounds. Time out.
Remaining time, 2 minutes, 9 seconds. Score 17-11.
Time out. Two minutes and 9 seconds sa para sa ating first period. Back to the ball game. Let's go. Jump shot. Too strong. Rebound. Out of bounds. White. Oh, same ball. $14 seconds. Shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock to shoot. Wide open, short, rebound, number 13. Oh! Nice hook shot. 19-11. Up by 8. Ay, nasa loob. Oopsie. There's a foul. 1 minute and 24. On the free throw area, number 2.
First free throw.
Second shot.
Ano to? First quarter pa lang.
Number 8, basket. 10-point lead. 10 na po ang lamang ng team ni Sir Granada. Good. Nice, sir. Oh, and steal. Uy. Last 26 seconds. 26. Out. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Oh! 8, 7. Oh, nakasun. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Mati ka na. And that's the end of our first period. 28-11. Lamang po ang team ni Sir Granada. Umahabol. Gustong makabawi. Alright, tayo na daw na po sa ating second quarter. Lamang ng 17 or 17 points ang black team. Kaya na, mong gananahan. Gusto makabawi talaga. Alright, back to the ball game. Second quarter.
Here comes the second quarter.
28-11 po. Uy! Oh, good. Ayun na, Sir Boy. Pressure defense Granada, Sir Granada to number 13. Bounce pass sa loob, fake. Uy, munti ka na. Foul number 08. On the free throw area, number 23. Basket is good. That is Sir Manzano. Oh, sorry. Mukaram. Basket. 30-11. What a big point lead for team Sir Granada. 3-4-7. Uy! Number 30. Bang! Basket yan. Number 12, kick out. May sagot si number 27. Floater, wala. Rebound by number 12. Number 12, nagmamadali. Tessie. Pass number 22, 23. Oh, steal by Sir with Boy Abonita. Nagpapadali 2 against 1. Pass number 24. Sir Masparada, no good. Rebound number 08. Drive and basket yan. Sir Boy. Ooh! Uy, sayang. Rebound ay number 12. Number 12, direction. Whoa! 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 What a move! By jersey number 12. Grabe ang change in pace ng team ni Sir Masauding. Ooh! Grabe yun. Last. Number 20. No good. Basket. Rabas. Another is a foul.
Number 8, it's the third personal foul.
Derecho. Sir Boy, binigay sa corner. Jump shot is good by Sir Pranada. Our police brigadier general, Sir Pranada. Number 12. Uy! Short. Rebound. 3 against 1. Uy! Grabe yan. What a showtime by Sir Boy! Miss! And number 13. Also Sir Boy. To Sir Pranada. Short. Isa pa. Sir Pranada. Yes, sir! My police brigadier general, Sir Pranada. Wow, what a good defense. Mandatory substitution. Sub.
Calling for mandatory substitution, James Mark.
38. 50. 40. 22. 40-22 po. Grabe, sir. Basketball. 40-22. Lamang ang team ni Sir Pranada. Time remaining 4 minutes and 56 seconds. For 3, miss, rebound. Out of bounds. There's a foul. Basket. Ayan na, 20 na po lamang ng team ni Sir Pranada. Pass number 21. Up and under. No good. Rebound. Uy. Out of bounds. That's a traveling violation. Too strong. Rebound by number 1. Kick out. Number 6. Bam! 44-22. Biggest lead of the game. With the 22 points lead ang team ni Sir Granada. Babawi sa 3. Short rebound ng mga laki team. Number 30 will recover. Number 30, diretso, nakalusot, pero wala, rebound. Number 1 to number 6. It's a bank shot, it's good. Ayan na. 24 na po ang lamang ng mga laki team. Number 0, running shot, miss. Another rebound for the Black team. Number 1. 48-22. Grabe, sunod-sunod ng putos ng mga laki team. Naku, wala. Rebound by number 23. 1-on-1. 2 against 2. Oy! Good. Number 30 will recover. Number 30. Pinigay sa corner. Jump shot is. Oy, wala. Rebound. Number 1 to number 6. Basket is good. Oopsie. Oh, warning for delaying the game. Ang Team Black. Time remaining. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Ayan na. Bola ng mga naka-white shirt. Number 21. Uy, walang tawag. Pass to number 21. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 07. Pass to number 6. Number 6, nagbamadali. Number 6, fake. Uy, ganda naman ang pasa niyo. Ganda ng fake naman nun. Na number 6. 52-22. 30 na po lamang ng team ni Sir Granada. Fake. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound ng mga naka-white shirt. Oops. Back to the ball game, third quarter. Nice pass. Jai. No good. No good. Rep. Out and pass number 8 all the way. Sir Boy floater, no good. Wala.
number 8.
Block.
Let's go.
16-23. And score. 5-0.
Wow, Mr. Boy Abonita, 25-58. Or sorry, 60. 25. Basket. Jai. Third pa lang po. Cross court pass. Out of bounds. Jai. Pass number 15 for JJ. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 2. Fade away. No good. Number 17. Easy basket. Jai. Pass to number 15. Back to Jai. 4-3. Uy, wala. Rebound ng mga ulak. Steal by number 15. Pass to Sir Boy. Sir Boy. Jai. Bounce pass. Ganda na pass yun. Block from behind. By number 17. Jai. Bounce pass. Back to Jai. Jai. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 29. Outlet pass. Number 26. All the way. Basket is good. 25-66. JJ pass number 2. What a nice spin move. Yes, sir. Outlet pass. Number 26. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What a nice shot. Jai dribbling the ball. Pass to JJ. Pass to Sir Boy. Back to Sir JJ. JJ to number 15. Wide open. Oops. In and out. Outlet pass. Number 15. Pass to number 26. Number 26. All alone. Basket is good. 70-27. JJ floater. Basket for JJ. Abonita. Outlet pass. Jump shot by number 29. Too strong. Rebound by JJ. JJ. Ayan na si JJ. No pick up. Derecho. Too strong. Rebound ng block. Outlet pass. Out of bounds. Timeout. Timeout muna ito ang team ni Police Major General Masauding. 70-29. Ayan. Shoutout po muli sa ating mga sponsor. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. Sa AI-AS. Ayan. Specialist Goods Trading. Stay low-key shoe cleaning services by Sir Anthony Cruz at kay Ma'am Cha Cruz. Ayan. Shoutout din sa Young Living Essential Oil by Mami Jo. Ayan. Paul Haas Military Supply and sa PSSLAI. Ayan. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong mga suporta. This is your Abonita Basketball Academy, the Boleros Tournament. Ayan, let's go. Or a Papaos game. Every Tuesday po yan. Sa mga gusto pong sumali, PM nyo lang po si ating police Sir Boy Abonita. Sir Pranada, no good. Rebound. Number 21, binigay sa elbow 3, no good. Another rebound para sa mga nakaputi. And out of bounds. Same ball. Apo. Wide open. Three. Ay, jersey number 23. Number 23, top of the key. Fake. Pass to number 3. Basket is good. Nakaway doon agad. Ang nakitim. Another steal for the block. Sir Pranada in and out. Rebound ng mga nakaputi. Number 2, Derecho Bilgay. Pass to number 308. Wala. Rebound ng mga naka-black shirt. Cross-court pass. Number 24, Sir Pranada. Miss again. Rebound. Number 2, all alone. Basket is good. 34-72. Humahabol ang team ni Sir Police Major General Masaudin. Number 3, wala. Rebound by number 6. Pass number 2, Derecho. Easy layup. Ayan na ang team block. Sir Pranada. My Sir Pranada. All alone by number 27. May sagot agad ang team ni Sir Masaudin. 38-74. Bam! Number 29 to number 27. Miss rebound ng mga naka-team. Number 17. Wide open. Too strong. Steal by number 29. Number 29. Pass to Sir Pranada. In and out. Number 17. No good. Isa pa. Drop pass to number 3 at the post. Fake. Drive. Miss. Another offensive rebound. And a steal ng mga naka-team. Number 23. Muy no good. Another 3 for Sir Manzano. No. Uy. Walang tawag. Isa pa. Bam! At ayun na nga with a 3-point by Sir Manzano. Oh, another steal. Manzano short. Rebound. May number 17. Oy, wala. Last 23 seconds. Manzano miss. 14 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Sir Pranada knocks it down with a buzzer beater. Grabe yun. Ay, Sir Pranada. End of the third quarter, 44-81. Lamang pa rin po ang team ni Sir Police Brigadier General Sir Pranada. Yes. Ayan, 81-44 po. Tayo na na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol ang team ng ating Police Major General Masaudin sa ating fourth and last quarter. Let's go. Good luck from both team.
Thank you.
Number 12, pass to number 10. Number 10, kick out. Wide open. Short. Uy. Number 21, up and under. What an extra. Uy! Careful, ingat na po. Ayan, buti nasa loob. Stay safe po, everyone. Bola ng puti. Oh! What a nice execute. Para connection. Para sa team wide. 46-81. Ayan na, double team and gets the foul. Out of bounds. 81-46. Bounce pass and steal. Out and pass. Number 21. Grab. Nice side step. Pumahabol. Another steal. Drop pass to number 21. Fake and gets the foul. And that's a 3 seconds violation. Bola lang mga laki team. Number 26. Oh, well steal. Oy, wala. Ay na, nagagawan. Black ball. Number 17, fake. Kick. As number 26, jump shot is good. Out of bounds.
Technical. Bakit walang senior ang puti?
Oh, technical.
Walang senior, oh.
Technical, huli. Wala pong senior ang ating white team. Free throw.
Technical. Tinawag.
Last ball possession. Six minutes and 35 seconds. Bola ng mga nakiteam. 4-3. Bam! 3. 86-48. Number 12. Uy, wala. And out of bounds. Anim. Wide open, short. Rebound by number 23. Number 23, Discarte at the post. High pick up to number 07. Pointer Ray, short. Rebound ng mga nakaputi. Number 12, derecho. Basket is good. 86-50. Ayan, 36-point lead para sa team ni Sir Pranada. Number 23, stop and pop. No good. Rebound by number 12. Outlet pass, number 21. Whoa! Ganda naman ang moves on. Number 23, binigay sa corner. Number 07, no good. Rebound again by number 23. Number 23, pass number 26. Number 26, drive and score. 88-52. Ayan na. 4 minutes and 28 seconds. 52-88. Number 12, pass to number 12. Oy, bad pass. Outlet pass. Oopsie. Number 2. Sidestep pass number 27. Kick out. Ayan na. Wide open. Oh. Offensive foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Baseball. Pass number 26. Drive. Bam! Swak na swak. 90-52. Number 12. What an extra pass. Ganda ng pasa na yun. Para kay Garcia. Ayun na ang mga team. Number 23. Uy, nakalusot. Number 23. Derecho gets the foul. Last na po. Wait.
Ilang time? 3 minutes.
3 minutes and 3 minutes, sir. 90-54. Second shot. Wala. Basket. Time out. Time out. Black team. Ayan, time out muna rito ang team ni Sir Police Brigadier General Pranada. Ayan. Ayan, sino kaya ang ating magiging best player? (56-90), biggest lead of the game. 2 minutes and 48 seconds remaining. Bola ng team ni Sir Pranada. Number 13, bad pass. White ball. Garcia nagmamadali. Garcia didiskarte. Setting on the play to number 2. Number 2 from elbow 3. Yes, sir. Para sa tres. 59-90. Baba na lamang. Oy, miss. There's a foul. 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Number 8 on the free throw area. Number 8, wala. Second shot para jersey number 8. Yes, sir. Basket yan. Last 2 minutes. Para sa ating laban ng second game. Uy, what a nice pick! Wala! Rebound! Garcia again, spin. Pasa pala yun. Number 21. Wala pa rin. Uy, isa pa. Jersey number 0. Oh, good. Number 21. Boom! What a bank shot! 61-91. Baba sa 30. Ang lamang. Ay na. Kick out. Sir Pranada. At may sagot dito si Sir Pranada. Jersey number 24. Ay na. Nagmamadali. Number 2. Pass to number 0. Quick drive. And easy basket. Ayan na po ang team ng last seconds na lamang po. 56 seconds. Basket is good. Number 0, basket. 65-95. Last 40 seconds. 4-3. Wala. Last 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Number 12. Wala. Nagkaya pa. Last 20. Out of bounds. Last 16. 16 seconds. Jump shot. No good. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations. At nakabawi dito ang team ni Sir Police Brigadier General Sir Pranada. Ayan. Congratulations po sa team ni Sir Pranada, sir. Shout out po. Ayan, nakabawi po sila sa team ni Sir Masaudin, ating Police Major General Sir Masaudin. Muli maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng ating Papaos Gaming dito sa Lacan Bus Bolero. Ayan. Magbabalik po tayo para sa ating next game. Hanggang sa muli. Sino kaya ating tatanghalin best player of the game? Ayan, muli maraming salamat sa PSSLAI Public Safety Savings and Loan Association Incorporation. Ayan. This is your Bonita Basketball Academy sa ating pagbabalik for the best player of the game. Sino kaya?